Good morning, cockatoo baby. Uh-oh, where'd your passy go? Let me see that hair, Brenna. Woo-wee.
Here you go. Daddy.
Thank you, brother. Brenna.
Put my hand down there because sometimes I do that.
Are you ready to... Oh, careful, please. Whoa, look at that cockatoo hair go. I mean, she's got like a mohawk. Every morning we've got some shape of cockatoo hair. This morning's especially good. Uh-oh. Gentle, Brady. Say it's au naturel. Hi, Brenna. Hello.
That was just put over here.
Are you ready to get out, Brenna? You ready to get out?
Watch
I
this.
just had a document. Look at that. Wow. That is beautiful.
What did Bunny do?
I'm just looking at that hair. Hi, Brenna.
I can't put my foot in.
Good morning.
Bunny.
You ready to get out? Okay.
Bunny.